Shri Paramjyothi Bhagavathi Navaratri Homam at Satyaloka. From September 22, 2025 to September 30, 2025. In this sacred month, the Divine Mother manifests as Navadurgas and sustains the universe. During this time, the powerful Shri Paramjyothi Bhagavathi Navaratri Homas are conducted at Satyaloka. You will be engulfed in the divine grace of Adi Parashakti. Grief, difficulties, accidents, hazards, ill health, infertility, enmity, everything will be dissolved by the divine love of the Supreme Mother, thereby fulfilling all your heartfelt desires. For 9 days, the early morning homas will fill your homes with the divine consciousness of Shri Bhagavati Devi. Through worship, chanting of sacred mantras and the fire rituals, your home will be sanctified with this divine consciousness. You'll experience the sacred feeling of being embraced by the Divine Mother, only to be transported into a new spiritual realm, and your intent will reach the sanctum sanctorium of the Divine Mother. From September 22, 2025 to September 30, 2025, the following homams will be performed. Shri Suvarna Kavacha Durga Devi Homam, removal of negative energies and evil forces. Shri Bala Tripura Sundari Devi Homam, success in endeavors, removal of obstacles. Shri Gayatri Devi Homam, complete health, protection from sudden illnesses. Shri Annapurneshwari Devi Homam, development and progress in agriculture and abundant food supply. Shri Lalita Tripura Sundari Devi Homam, blessings for marriage and progeny. Shri Saraswati Devi Homam, benediction of knowledge and intelligence. Shri Mahalakshmi Devi Homam, relief from debts, protection of movable and immovable assets. Shri Mahishashura Mardini Devi Homam, liberation from karmic bondage, removal of all doshas. Shri Raja Rajeshwari Devi Homam, abundance and spiritual growth. Devotees can participate in these homas at Satyaloka via online. For registration and further details, contact your organizers.